Kaugnay mga kapatid dun sa nangyaring insidente doon sa isang hotel sa Washington kung saan nagkaroon ng pamamaril at target daw si US President Trump. Eto ngayon may kumakalat na mga speculation mga tol tungkol dito sa taong ito na suspect. Dahil bago daw yung nangyaring pamamaril na yon is nagpost pa daw ito ng photo sa kanyang Instagram account na nakasuot ng Israeli Defense Forces na damit. So may kaugnayan ba to sa IDF? Alam mo naman natin mga tol, ang IDF, ang Israel mga tol, yan ay sanggang dikit ng US mga tol, no? Sabi rito, Trump attackers Israel link emerges 12 hours before shooting, sensational claim over kill bid. Ano sa tingin natin mga tol? Panoorin na lamang natin to at bigyan natin ng reaksyon.
I'm just a young nigga chillin' on it. First time I seen ice was a
So ang videong ito mga kapatid ay mula rito sa Times of India, no? Play natin to.
A storm of speculation is now swirling around one chilling question. Did the man who stormed a high-security checkpoint targeting Donald Trump have any international links? Or is the internet racing ahead of the facts?
Alam naman natin ngayon ng mga tao sa social media, napakagaling din mag-imbestiga, no? So sabi nila rito, ito daw may link, no? May kaugnayan dito sa IDF. Di natin sure yan, unverified pa yan mga tol, no? Dahil lang nakita nila na itong lalaking to 12 hours before ng pamamaril is nag-post pa ng picture na suot-suot yung damit na yon na may nakatatak na IDF o yung Israeli Defense Forces.
In the hours following the shocking attack at the Washington Hilton, a series of viral screenshots began spreading rapidly across social media platforms, raising eyebrows, fueling theories, and triggering global curiosity. One image
Ito. The MAGA report. Cole Allen had a picture of himself on Instagram in an IDF sweatshirt before his profile got removed. Mga tol. No? Pero alam nyo mga kapatid, sa isang killer o sa isang gumagawa ng masama, di ba? Una-una hindi ka magsusuot ng pagkakakilanlan mo. Not unless sasadyain mo para meron kang ituro na pagbibintangan. Hindi ko sinasabi mga kapatid na totoo yung sinasabi ko, pero yun naman talaga ang normal. 'Di ba? Pwede kang magsuot ng uniforme ng pulis, pwede kang magsuot ng uniforme ng IRGC. Depende sa iyo kung anong gusto mong isuot, 'di ba? Para magkaroon ng link. Kung halimbawa ma-deads ka doon sa gagawin mong bagay, magtatagumpay pa rin yung isang plano mo na guluhin o magkagulo sila pare-pareho, pangatol. Pero malay natin, ito'y part talaga ng IDF for the sake of conversation, mga tol. Baka yung iba sa inyo gusto talagang paniwalaan yan, di ba? So ito'y pinost niya, suot-suot ang isang sweatshirt na may nakalagay na Israel Defense Forces. So part nga ba siya nun mga tol? At kung part nga ba siya nun, ano kaya ang kanyang motibo, di ba? Tuloy natin.
claims to show the suspect, Cole Thomas Allen, wearing what appears to be an IDF, Israeli Defense Forces sweatshirt in a now deleted Instagram post. Another screenshot, equally explosive, alleges that his name was being searched in Israel nearly 12 hours before the attempted assassination.
Oh, why was Cole Allen searched in Israel 12 hours before attempted assassination? Ooh.
The implication? Possible foreknowledge, possible connections, a possible international dimension.
May posibilidad.
But here is where the story becomes more complex. As of now, there is no official confirmation from U.S. authorities, the Federal Bureau of Investigation, or any Israeli agency linking Allen to the IDF or to Israel in any capacity. No verified intelligence, no confirmed digital trail, no established motive pointing overseas. What exists instead is a digital echo chamber. Screenshots, unverified, contextless, and potentially misleading, circulating at lightning speed, blurring the line between curiosity and conclusion.
O yan ha, malinaw na malinaw mga kapatid. Di ko na siguro kailangan pang i-emphasize yun. Wala pang malinaw, wala pang verified na information, kundi mga haka-haka, mga kuro-kuro pa lang mga tol na mabilis na kumakalat ngayon sa internet, no? Pero kayo syempre, bilang mga netizen, pwede kayo magbigay ng inyong sariling komento.
Experts warn that search trends can spike for countless reasons: algorithmic anomalies, unrelated queries, or even coordinated online behavior. A name appearing in a search trend does not confirm intent, identity, or connection.
Oh, malinaw din yun.
And yet, the timing of these claims has added fuel to an already volatile narrative. Because this was no ordinary breach. This was a direct assault on one of the most heavily guarded political gatherings in the United States.
Tama, tama.
So naturally, the world is asking, was he truly acting alone? Or is the digital noise masking something deeper?
Yun nga ang tanong. Siya ba talaga ay kumikilos lamang mag-isa? Yun ba talaga ay batay lang sa kanyang sariling pagpapasya? Diba? Kasi maraming mga kumakalat na usap-usapan, no? Maraming kumakalat na haka-haka. Lalo-lalo na nung may nakitang photo na may suot-suot siyang IDF sweatshirt. So naghahalo-halo na yan mga tol. Siyempre sasamantalahin na rin yan mga tol ng mga gusto lang manggulo, gusto lamang talagang guluhin ang sitwasyon. Magulo na nga ginugulo pa ang sitwasyon di ba?
At the press briefing after the attack, Donald Trump stated that he doesn't think the attacker is linked to the Iran war.
Well, you never know. Now, we'll be able to tell you that maybe by tomorrow or the next day. You know, he's in custody and they're asking him a lot of questions. I guess they're going over, Todd, and they're already at his apartment. He lives in California. Yes, sir. And they're over there, so they'll be able to tell you. Thank you, Caitlin.
President Trump, did the suspect say anything, or was he wearing anything that would allege some type of motive here?
No, I mean, he was a guy who looked pretty evil when he was down. You know, they had him down. He was fighting hard. He was, in my opinion, a sick person. Who would do that but a sick person? But I think you're going to find everything about him. No reason to talk about it now. But tomorrow at this time, long before this time, you're going to know a lot of things about him. They seem to think he was a lone wolf, and I feel that too.
For now, investigators are treating the case with caution. Officials have indicated that the suspect appears to be a lone actor, but stress that every angle, domestic and international, is being examined. And that brings us to the man at the center of it all. Who is Cole Thomas Allen, a 31-year-old engineer from Torrance, California?
31-year-old engineer. Imagine mo mga tol, napakabata pa nila, no? Bata pa ngayon ang 31 mga tol. Nung wala pa akong 30, feeling ko pag edad ko ng 30, tanda na ako. Ganun. Pero mga tol, 31, napakabata pa, di ba? Engineer. Tapos, hindi natin alam kung anong motibo niya o may nagutos ba sa kanya. Pero sinasabi, mag-isa lang daw siyang kumikilos ngayon. Di ba? Pero ito sinabi ko nung nakaraan pa napakalakas naman ng loob niya para gawin yan. Biruin mo ang dala-dala niya daw shotgun, mga baril, tapos patalim. Lahat yan puro pang close contact kung gusto mong tirahin yung target mo. Close contact yan Diba? Hindi ka pwedeng tumira sa malayuan. Diba? Napaka nun. Tapos tatawid ka sa mga security checkpoint. Heavily guarded nga sabi. Itong isang gathering na to ay binabantayan ng talagang napakatinding security. Pero nalusutan niya daw yung ibang mga checkpoint. Yun ang matindi dun. Nagawa niya yun. Kaya malamang yung mga sandata niya is hindi niya dala-dala nung nakalusot siya dun sa mga unang checkpoint. Naiwan niya na yun siguro sa mga unang oras pa lamang. Pero ang tanong, eto nga ba'y may kinalaman o meron nga ba siyang kaugnayan sa IDF? Totoo kaya mga tol o baka naman sinuot niya lang? Diba? Hindi naman porket sinuot mo yung isang bagay is may kaugnayan ka na agad. Diba? Halimbawa, dito sa atin, dati o ngayon, pag nagsuot ka ng uniforme ng pulis, hindi naman ibig sabihin nun, pulis ka na agad. Kaya nga ngayon, mga tol, hinuhuli. Pinaparusahan na ngayon yung mga nagsusuot ng uniforme ng pulis nang walang pahintulit Kasi pwede nga gamitin sa kalokohan. Diba? Ganun na ngayon dito sa atin. 'Di ba? Hindi porket nagsuot ka ng uniforme ng sundalo, sundalo ka na agad, 'di ba? Pero again, tayo yung nagre-reaction lamang, nagbibigay ng komentaryo, lahat ng aking sinasabi rito ay batay lamang sa aking personal, 'di ba? Batay lamang din sa ating napapanood. Kaya pwede kayo magbigay ng inyong sariling komentaryo sa comment section sa ibaba, no? Hanggang sa muli mga kapatid.